Hello and welcome to the Luminary Syner-D tablet remote tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Luminary tablet to better understand how to use it and to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split up in 4 different parts: tablet remote layout and functions, custom selections from auto programs, building and saving a program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by tapping anywhere on the display screen. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. To turn on the massage chair, tap the power button on the top right hand corner of the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power and when the power switch on the back of the chair is turned to the on position. To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up a list of 12 auto programs that you can use with the tap of a button. There is Morning, Breathe, Neck and Shoulder, Extension, Midday, Vigor, Back and Spine, Post-Workout, Night, Rest and Restore, Waist and Glutes, and Demo. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each of them out and seeing which one is best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the left arrow in the top left-hand corner of the display. To the right of Auto is Infinity Control. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We'll return to this later in part 3 of this video. Returning to the home screen, let's tap to My Memory. In My Memory, after creating your massage program using the manual controls in the Infinity Control display, you can save 3 different My Massage programs and then access them whenever you want. To save a program, simply tap on Save, and to run a program, simply tap Run. Note, if you save a program over an existing program, the first program will be overwritten and will be erased. Back in the home screen, let's go over the adjustment settings. There are different features of the chair you control while your massage program is running. There is light themes, LED light control, LED brightness, backrest and footrest adjustment buttons, leg extension, zero gravity, and time remaining. In the light theme section, you have 6 different themes you can choose from to control the LED functionality throughout the chair. The Luminary is equipped with chromotherapy lights located underneath the Bluetooth speaker and the outside of the chair's body. Select any of the following themes: Solid, which is a single color light; Breathe, a single color that dims and brightens on a loop; Wake Up, a blue enriched light gradually increasing brightness; Wind Down, which is the colors of a sunset gradually decreasing brightness; Multi-Wave, which is all the colors of a rainbow morphing into each other; and Multi-Rotate, which all the colors rotate through from one to another. To turn off the LED light, simply tap Lights Off. In the LED light control section, you have 8 different colors to choose from. Select any of the desired light colors to add to your unique massage. There is red, orange, yellow, lime, green, blue, purple, or white. Note, you may only choose desired light color in Solid or Breathe themes. Next is LED brightness. Here you have the option to choose your desired LED light brightness. There's 5 different options, 1 through 5. Note, you may only choose desired light brightness in Solid or Multi-Rotate themes. The back, foot, and leg extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit specific parts of your body. Tap and hold a screen to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to rise or lower. Next is the foot extend and foot retract adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. Next is zero gravity. Use this control to enter weightless zero gravity recline. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Zero gravity position 1 will put the chair into a standard recline. Zero gravity position 2 will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. The last setting within the adjustment screen is time remaining. In time remaining, you will see 3 different options: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Selecting one of these will extend your massage session length. Keep this setting in mind when you create your custom massage to set the length of session desired. Back in the home screen, let's go to Sounds. Tap Sounds. You can use this screen to select and control the Soothe Me Sound Therapy feature within this chair. Note, Bluetooth must be turned on in system screen settings for speakers to work properly. Here you can see 10 different nature sounds. There is white noise, ocean, crickets, rain, fireplace, airplane, car ride, thunderstorm, windy night, and nature. Once you select your desired sound effect, you can choose the level of volume below, 1 through 9 and off, 1 being the quietest and 9 being the loudest. To turn off nature sounds, simply turn volume off or deselect the activated sound. Navigate back to the home screen. The last setting within the home screen is System. Use this screen to adjust and personalize your chair and tablet remote settings. Once in System Settings, here you should see 10 different options. If you only see 4 options, make sure to scroll down to view the other options. You should see Sleep Mode, Voice Demo, Ionizer, Bluetooth, Charging, Voice Control, Display Brightness, Language, Firmware Version, and Help. The first system setting is Sleep. Here you can toggle sleep mode on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after any auto program. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program. Next is Voice Demo. Here you can toggle the voice within the demo program on or off. Note, the voice demo only works in demo program. Next is Ionizer. Here you can toggle Air Ionizer on or off. When Air Ionizer is on, this allows the chair to emit negative charged ions to reduce intake of pollutants in the air. Next is Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. Bluetooth must be turned on to power up the speakers to stream music or to use the Soothe Me sounds. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over this in part 3 of this video. Next is USB charging. The Luminary has a built-in USB charging station which allows you to plug in and charge your smart devices when the chair is not being used. If you select on, the power will stay on the charging station even if the tablet is powered down. For this feature to work, the main power switch on the back of the chair must remain on. Below USB charging is voice control. Here you can toggle on and off the built-in intelligent voice command and control feature. This feature allows you to control your chair and massage experience completely hands-free. For a full list of commands, make sure to review the user manual. Next is Display Brightness. In Display Brightness, lets you control your desired tablet remote screen brightness setting, 0 being the dimmest and 9 being the brightest. Tap the plus or minus buttons on the screen to change this setting. Next is Language. This chair has 2 different language settings to choose from, English and Chinese. Next is Firmware Version. This will indicate the latest software installed on your device. And lastly is Help. Tap Help to be taken through to a help screen. Here you will be able to access where to find help and contact information if you're having any troubles with your Luminary Syner-D massage chair. Please contact the number provided on the display screen. Now let's personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we are going to pick Morning. After any massage program is selected, you will be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that truly fits your body. Once the countdown starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanisms up and down to match your specific shoulder height. After the countdown timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note, during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and reset the massage chair, simply tap the stop button on the display screen. This will reset the entire chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you'll be taken to an in-use screen where you can observe all current settings and session information. To the left of the in-use screen, you should see 3 different icons. The first icon is Zero Gravity. This will indicate if the zero gravity feature is on or off. Below that is Heat. This will indicate if the heat setting is on or off. And lastly is the audio indicator. This will indicate if any of the nature sounds are on or off. Right below the figure is the body scan button. During any massage program, you can double tap this button to rescan your body and adjust the back mechanisms to your specific shoulder height. Once completed, this will take you back to the in-use screen to continue your massage. At the bottom of the screen are the different level indicators for speed, width, 4D level intensity, air intensity, and foot rollers. To adjust these levels, we'll go over that in the custom selection screen very shortly. In the top right corner is the home button. Tapping this button will bring you back to the main home screen where we started, right after the initial boot up. To the left of the home button is the program title along with the duration of the massage. To stop or pause the massage, simply tap on either of the buttons below the duration. If you hit pause, this will pause the massage immediately. To continue, just re-tap to resume the massage. If you tap stop, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. Below the stop and pause button is the sleep mode switch. Tapping this button will toggle the switch to turn sleep mode on or off. At the bottom of the screen, we have more options. Similar in the main home screen, we have auto, infinity controls, adjustments, and sounds. Tap each of these to bring you to their designated screens to pick an auto program, adjust certain chair settings, or manually set different massage settings to your desired liking. To quickly personalize your massage, swipe left. This will take you to a custom selection screen. The custom selection screen allows you to tailor your massage exactly to your needs. At the very top right of the custom selection screen is the control panel lock. When toggled on, this lock will prevent you from returning to the in-use screen so you can make continuous adjustments without being interrupted. To return to the in-use screen, make sure the control panel is unlocked and shortly it will automatically return to the in-use screen. Now let's get into the settings. The first setting is focus zone. Here you have three options to control the range of motion of the back mechanisms. There is whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L track in the massage chair, that is from your neck to lumbar. For a more focused massage, select partial. Press and hold the up and down arrows to the right to control the location of the back mechanisms. This setting moves the rollers to a 6 to 8 inch area where they currently are on the L track. For a more targeted area, select the point option and using the up and down arrows again, move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L track. Below the focus zone is the 4D intensity level. Here you have 6 different options, 1 through 5 and off. Use a lower intensity for a light tissue massage or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. Adjust these until you find a setting that is most suitable for you. Next is time remaining. Just like in the adjustment settings, here you have the option to simply change the duration of your massage. To the right, we have the controls for air settings and intensity, heat, foot rollers, and calf rollers and oscillation. In air settings, here you can turn on the airbag region you desire to get a great compression massage. There are 5 different options: full, shoulders, back, hips, and leg. Note, you can select and deselect more than one option. However, when you select full, this will override all individual sections. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage below. Here you will see 6 different options, 1 through 5, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply select off in air intensity or deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. Below air intensity is back heat. Here you can choose from 4 different heat intensity levels, 1 through 3 and off, 1 being warm and 3 being hot. Next is foot rollers. Here you have the option to turn the foot rollers on or off. The last is calf rollers and oscillation. In this section, you have the option to turn the calf massage on or off. The calf rollers and oscillation feature combines calf rollers with oscillation movement and compression air cells to relieve tension and pain in the calf region of each leg. Back in the in-use screen, let's return to the main menu and explore the manual settings. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within My Memory. Let's start to build your own custom My Massage programs. Some of these settings are similar to the ones we just saw within custom selections, but there are a couple additional ones that really help us create that unique massage that fits for every need. Starting at the top left, we have Technique. Here we have 6 different techniques of massage that this chair offers: knead, tap, knock, shiatsu, sink, and 4D shiatsu. Try each of them out and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we're going to choose knock. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select the focus zone. Just like in the custom selections, choose an area where you would like the back mechanisms to focus on. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to adjust the back rollers along the L track. To change the width of the back rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: a narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium. Note, the width cannot be adjusted when in kneading or in sync mode. Keep note of the red icon. When this appears, this means a feature is not available. Now let's choose a 4D intensity. Select 2 and in the speed control settings, select 1. This will give us a slow, light tissue massage. Now onto the air settings. Select shoulders, hips, and back. This will start the air compression massage in 3 different regions. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 4. This will really help release that tension throughout the body. Now let's bring on the heat. Tap and choose the max level of heat by tapping 3. Moving on to the foot rollers, let's choose 1. Now let's move on to the last section, the calf rollers and oscillation. Let's pick 3. This will really get rid of the tension within the calf muscle. Now that we have built your own custom massage, let's save it in our My Memory programs. Return to the main menu and tap on the My Memory icon. Once selected, tap on Save within Memory A. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can now utilize it at any time by returning to the screen and selecting Run. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual controls, let's pair your phone to your chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Luminary tablet remote. Now make sure you have the Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth enabled massage chair around you. Select Luminary in the available device sections of your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to your chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Luminary's tablet remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Luminary Syner-D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.